We are introduced to struggles and suffering as soon as we are born into this world. There's no doubt about it. The struggles are custom to each and every human being. However, it takes willpower and dedication coupled with willpower to see beyond the struggle and have the strength to persevere and overcome. Men or women. That is testament of another tragedy of the human condition. I appreciate you stopping by the channel. Please like, share, comment below and subscribe to the channel as it greatly helps the channel. In today's video, we will discuss the importance of aspiring to conquer doubts and low self-esteem and rise above the mental shackles. Self-esteem is the way one feels about the self. It is the measuring unit in which individuals measure how comfortable and content they are with themselves. One way or another, our self-esteem is challenged through tough circumstances. These circumstances can be introduced as early as your childhood years, which are the most fragile, or your adult years when the challenges of life hit you to rock bottom. Either way, this constant battle of self-assurance is one that every human being goes through. What if I told you that there is a way to conquer this and ultimately build yourself up and increase your self-esteem? Both men and women, their own distinct realities, struggle with this. However, one does not have to stay struggling in this predicament as it hinders one's true potential. The first step to growing your self-esteem is to embark on a journey of rebranding and self-realignment. Most of the time, the issue of esteem stems from the identity we've either been given by society or the identity we have cultivated for ourselves due to constant failure in the pursuit of goals and achievements. Going on a hiatus and focusing on rebranding yourself and realigning yourself and recreating your image is one very powerful tool, because it opens you up to a whole lot more about yourself, which has direct connections to my next point. The next important step when you're on a journey of increasing self-esteem is to unravel the hidden and trapped emotions that may be present. Us human beings have an innate desire to neglect the confrontation of the demons that haunt us. And no, I'm not talking about the scary horned creature you were scared of when you were a kid. I'm talking about the dark days of your life that gave birth to the trauma that you have hidden inside. This could be abuse from a trusted loved one, this could be from your traumatic childhood where you were bullied for one reason or the other. Whatever it is, the acknowledgement of that pain is the most important keys to healing. Diving deep into the depths of your own psyche, to reveal the pain that you've trapped is guaranteed to help you deal with those emotions and eventually lay them to rest. It may seem frightening to do so, but I assure you that this can prove to do more good than harm. Keep in mind that this is a journey. It must be done daily. Whenever you feel as if you want to neglect the process, remind yourself why you're doing it and think about what you can be able to achieve once the mental shackles are broken off once and for all. One important step towards increasing your self-esteem is to improve your physique. This seems like a more superficial reaction from outsiders, but the mindset shift that comes with changing your physique is totally worth the challenge. If you've built a physique already, then you can skip through this one. If you've had aspirations to sign up for a gym membership, fix your nutrition plan and improve your physique, then I encourage you to do so. Your physique says a lot about you as individual. It is a testament of your willpower and your unrelentless dedication. Not everybody is awarded the benefits of a good body, however. The most profitable benefit is the identity shift that comes with the body. This is another tactic that is quite proven to improve your self-esteem. Lastly, the final step towards improving your self-esteem is to actively build skills that can benefit those around you. Self-esteem has direct correlations with confidence. As human beings, we thrive and find our sense of worth by doing things for others. By offering value either through our finance or our work. Having skills that can serve others will show you just how much you actually are needed in the grand scheme. Learn a language. Learn to cook. Serve at your local community. This process can actually reshape how you perceive the world, because the truth of the matter is each and every person has a sense of worth from someone else. But always remember that confidence in the self ultimately derives from being comfortable with yourself. Do not do this to gain approval for others. This is to show yourself who you really are to yourself. We are all unique in our own way, and it is up to us in our own lives to discover this uniqueness and serve it to the world. Despite all the weight of our sufferings, it is our God-given assignment to overcome and ultimately come out more mature, capable, confident and victorious. This video is merely to spread awareness on mental health as well as to show that mental health can be improved through active hard work, perseverance, willpower and the sheer will to live and thrive in life. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, show the channel some love and please like the video, comment down below where you're watching from and subscribe to the channel as it supports the channel to reach a more wider audience.